animal or even human urine on carpet is some of the smelliest stuff ever. Oh my God. But that's okay. Sometimes over-the-counter sprays, they do nothing to remove the stench. I have spent hundreds of dollars on over-the-counter urine sprays and it has done nothing. I had to figure out my own homemade way to remove the stain. Let me teach you how to get the smell out without using any harsh chemicals. Join me. First, you'll need white vinegar, baking soda, and a spray bottle. Sprinkle a good amount of your baking soda over the stain. I'm talking if the stain is this big, you're going to use a quarter of a box, okay? You're going to heavily saturate the stain with your baking soda. Then, take your white distilled vinegar. Put it in your spray bottle. I want you to saturate that baking soda with this white vinegar. Spray, 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 okay? This could make the urine a little more smelly. Don't lose faith. Sometimes it gets a little smellier before it goes away completely. Now, you put your baking soda on, you sprayed it with white vinegar. What are you going to do next? You're going to let it sit. You're going to let it completely dry. And I'm talking 24 to 48 hours, okay? Now, in 24 to 48 hours, you go back to the stain, your carpet's completely dry and it still smells. What are you going to do? Repeat the process. Now, I know this sounds a little daunting. You're going to have to repeat doing this to your carpet, get a fan out, dry it day after day. Yes, you are, but this works, okay? I have done it. I decided I was going to buy all of my children a kitten whenever we moved to a new house. I have 4 children and a bonus child. That is 5 kittens all at once. And I put them in a carpeted room with a litter box. It took me 3 days of repeating this process to remove the stain fully and completely. There is no more urine smell in my basement. You cannot even tell that I had those cats in there until they were old enough to go outside. My whole entire basement smells fresh and clean. But it took me so long to figure out what I needed to do. Do not waste your money on all of these harsh chemicals that you buy at Walmart or Target or Wegman or wherever you're shopping at. Just use some white distilled vinegar and baking soda. It will get the stain out better than anything else. I promise. I've used it. It is guaranteed to work. You will not ever have to buy another harsh chemical for a urine stain again. I promise. Now, I know you have friends who have had some animal problems. Please share this video with them so they too can remove the urine smell from their house. Subscribe to my channel for daily DIY organization and cleaning videos. And please give this video a thumbs up so I know that you liked it. Thank you, and I will see you for the next stain.